Nikon L810 is one of most used smartphone macro lens by the professionals. People love this lens because of its quality and magnification. This lens comes with two caps in both sides. One is top glass protection cap and another one is clip cap or lens holding cap. You are getting one universal 17 mm clip with the lens, absolutely complimentary. To use the lens, this clip is so important. You can use this lens in two ways. You can put the clip on the primary camera. How to find primary camera? Put your finger on the camera lenses and open your camera app. In which camera you get that your finger is visible, that is the primary camera. Now you can notice that your lens has one 17 mm thread to attach with your clip. Just rotate clockwise and you can attach the lens with your smartphone. Now you will get one black border. Just zoom 1.5x to 1.9x to remove the black border and maintain a distance between 2 cm to 6 cm from the object for better results. Second option, let your clip and lens fixed. Okay, don't detach it. Press the clip like this and put it on your primary camera. Zoom the black border and maintain a distance between 2 cm to 6 cm from the object. In these two ways, you can use prosumer Nikon L810 camera or lens in your mobile. Thank you. If you are interested to buy this lens, you can WhatsApp me or call me on this number and get your lens. Thank you.